Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD the fiber. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So DXY is going for a little pullback right now, but the overall chart of DXY has not changed at all. US dollar currency index is still under the influence or dominance of sellers right now. DXY is standing at 102.47 right now. Things are very critical. As already I have explained in my earlier videos that the next support on the chart of DXY is 101.25. If DXY breaks this level, then obviously we will see further downside on DXY and the next level will be 100. Okay, so things are not very positive for DXY as of now. If you look at the Forex sentiment meter, we can see that 75% retail traders are still on the sell side. They have taken short position and where 1.0646, and right now Euro USD is standing at 1.0814. So almost a difference of 170, 180 pips. That is the main reason why retail traders lose money in the market, because we do not exit when our trades go in the opposite direction. So this is the 4-hour chart of Euro USD right now, and as you can clearly see that for the last 10 to 12 hours there is no proper direction of the chart. Yesterday we talked about the possible formation of a double top pattern here. Okay, but after that, after this fall here, you can see the next 5 candles, 1 2 3 4 5, there is an indecision in the market, because we can see market has formed spinning tops signify indecision, means there is still a battle between buyers and sellers going on. So as a result, it's always wise to avoid position in a market condition like this. So my dear friends, do not do anything. If you're holding a buy or sell position, then that's a different chapter, be on the trade. But if you're looking for fresh position, new trade, then this is not the right time, because market is in indecision mode right now. So what you need to do is wait for the market to give you a proper direction. So waiting is very important in trading. After all, we are traders, not gamblers. So let the market come down to this level first, 1.0775. If market comes down to this level, observe the market. If the volatility of the market remains like this, there's a high chance that market will take support. If market bounces, you can go for a buy position. In case market breaks it, do not take a sell position, because there may be a trap. Okay, you may get trapped. So just wait for the market to come down to the next support around 1.0720. Here not only we have Fibonacci 38.2% retracement level, but we can also see market taking support previously. So 1.0720 is also a good support in case 1.0775 fails. Okay, but if it breaks also, taking a sell can be risky. So beginners, new traders, try to avoid taking any sell position if the first support fails. Observe the market. If market comes to the support, if you see market taking support, means market forming hammer pattern, price rejection from below, you can go for a buy position. Okay, so these two support levels are important for the day on the chart of Euro USD, and because right now the trend of the market is very much towards the upside, so as a result you should respect the trend of the market. Okay, respect the trend of the market and trade accordingly. And the third support is around 1.0675. Already we have discussed in our previous videos, but suddenly, in case you see market going up, okay, market going up, markets, because market is full of surprises, nobody can predict the market. If you see market crossing this particular level here, 1.0870, okay, in case market crosses this level, then it can be a buy position, but you need to be very careful. After all, in all the markets of the world, buying at dip or buy at retracement is always a safer trading position. But here, if market doesn't come for proper retracement and starts going up again, then obviously market will be overbought and it may be very risky. So you need to be careful. If market breaks this level, you can go for a buy position, but do not compromise with risk management. As I said yesterday, you need to reduce the lot size. If you usually take a lot size of 1.0, then trade 0.3. If you trade a lot size of 0.5, then take a lot size of 0.1 or 0.2, because taking a buy position above this level can be very risky. Okay, so these are the trading opportunities that I see on the chart of Euro USD right now. Again, I'm repeating, right now we don't have any position here. Market is in indecision mode right now. You can clearly see on the chart. So do not gamble, do not lose your patience, just wait and watch. This is my analysis. I can be wrong as well, so please do your own analysis before taking any position and follow your own risk management. You are the master protector of your own capital. Bye bye, take care.